Wait with I mean like yesterday where we have stopped. Do you remember, Prabhu? Hello. Yesterday where did we stop? If you are speaking on mute. Hello. Where we stopped the class yesterday, Prabhu?
Hello.
Yeah, where we
Sir, actually, it's my unmute symbol is not.
okay, no issues. Where we stopped the class yesterday? Do you remember?
Actually, we are discussing variables.
Variables like how to define variables. There are predefined variables, user-defined variables, rules to define a variables, how to define read-only variable. Till there we discussed. In today's class, I will be discussing about variable scopes. There are three variable scopes. Okay, three variable scopes are available. One is session scope. Session scope. Okay. Second one is user scope. Third one is system scope. By the name itself, you can understand what is the meaning of this one. Okay. Session scope in the sense only for the current the variables which are declared in the terminal are to be in a session scope. Once we close the terminal, automatically all the variables will be gone. Okay. That is the meaning of session scope. Let the machine come up. I will show the examples as well. Okay, next one is user scope. The variables which are declared inside .bash RC file are said to be user scope. These variables are available for all sessions related to current user only. These variables cannot be accessed by other users. Okay. This machine is yeah, it has come up. Next one is system scope. System scope in the sense it will be available if the variables are available for all users and for all sessions. Such type of variables are said to be in a system scope. We have to declare these variables inside /etc/profile file. There is a profile file. We need to declare the variables in that file. Then it will be available for all the users and for all the sessions. First, you understood what is the difference between session scope, user scope, system scope, right? Theoretically. Okay, let me show the thing with the practical thing. Okay, you can see the font. You can see the font, right? You
Yes,
don't
sir.
have. See, suppose if I say x equal to 10, enter, y equal to 20. I will give like this and then click enter. Now, if I want to print these two values, I can give echo $x, and then if I give enter, I'm getting echo that x value, and then echo $y, I'm getting this value. Suppose if I open new terminal, this is a new terminal I have opened here. Now, if I give echo $x, we are not getting the value. That means this is only available for this current session only. That is, which are declared in the terminal are said to be these variables are declared only for this terminal. That is why this is session scope variables. Okay. Next one is user scope. If you want to, I mean like the variables whichever declared inside .bash RC file, those variables will be available for all sessions. Say it like if you open 2, 3, 4 multiple terminals also, those variables will be available, but only for the current user. I mean, like if I give who am I, I am a this user. Only for this user will be available. That is called user scope. Let us do that thing. Nano dot bash rc file. Just click enter. Now if you want to declare, you can declare it here as well. Anywhere you can declare. Just simple command. Just click enter. Export something like, I'll just give x equal to something like x equal to 10. Instead of that, let me give anything like guest. Okay, let me give guest equal to Kiran. I will say Kiran. Okay, and then any other thing, export any variable. Tell me any variable to declare. Friend. Okay, I'll just give friend equal to something like any name. I'm going to give Ravi. Okay, something like that, random thing I'm giving. Just save this file. Okay, now if I give echo dollar guest, I didn't get it. Is that spelling correct? GVST. I think I should restart the terminal. One second. Let me open a new terminal. Sorry. Open the another new terminal. Let me zoom in. Now if I say echo dollar, see I'm getting that. Okay. Even if I give echo dollar, see I'm getting. That means these will be available once you restart the terminal. After declaring, you need to restart it. What I will do, I'll just remove that thing. I don't want to declare this. What is the use of having this one? This is how you can declare a user scope variables. Okay. And then there is another thing, we can do it with the system scope. That means only for the current user, these variables are available, right? If you declare anything in the .bash file, the variables should be available for all users and for all sessions. Such type of variables are known as system scope, where we can declare it. If you want to declare it, you need to be sudo user nano /etc/profile file. Okay. Here you need to come here. He's asking me the password. Just give me. See, this is the file. You can declare the variables here. Export name equal to any variables. Export using export space variable name and then value. Then automatically it will be after declaring the variables. You need to restart the terminal. Don't forget that. You need to restart the terminal. Then it will be available for all users on all sessions. That is how you declare a system scope variables. Okay. I'm not going to do anything here. Now you understood the difference between session scope, user scope, and the system scope. Yesterday you asked me one doubt, right? Do you remember that doubt?
Yeah.
Now you got clarified, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sure. Yeah.
This is all about the topic shell variables. Next we'll move towards the variable substitution and command substitution. This is very much important. Please pay attention here when you are this is very much important. Variable substitution and command substitution. Okay. Variable substitution, accessing the value of a variable by using dollar symbol is called variable substitution. Suppose I am going to give, just remove this one. I have given a equal to 10.
Sir, can continue in the notepad? Can you share that notepad? It's easy to understand. In what we are writing in that notepad, please continue.
Sure, I will. Okay, sure. The variable substitution. Variable substitution we are going to discuss. Where what is the meaning of variable substitution is, suppose we have declared a equal to 10, and if you want to access the a value, we should be using dollar symbol to get the value. There are two ways how you can do is, first is dollar and then variable name. Another one is dollar and then the curly braces and then you can declare a. These are the two ways how you can access the variable value. Okay, let us check that one. We'll write a script for this one. The syntax is simple thing. Syntax is like this. Syntax is suppose, just give me 1 minute. Dollar variable name or dollar curly braces variable name. This is the how you can get the value. I'll just write a script so that you will be able to understand it. Okay. Now test.sh. Okay. Simple thing. Bin bash. I'm going to give bin bash. Click enter. A equal to 10. B equal to 20. And then I'm going to give another variable. I'm going to declare another variable. Course equal to Linux. Here you should give in the double quotation because it is a string. Okay. Next, action is equals to, I will just say sleep. Okay. Even I'll explain what is the difference, why we should when we should use this one or else when we should use this one. What is the difference of these two also I'll explain. Which is the preferred thing to get the variable, I will also explain that one. Next, I'm going to use echo values of A and B are, okay, new colon $A and $B. Okay. Next one is echo my favorite. Okay, instead of this one, my course. My course is dollar. What is how I can do that? Dollar.
Course.
Next one is echo. Next, what is the next one? My favorite action is, okay. My favorite action is, I said dollar action. Okay, I'll say action. Next one is, I'm going to say echo. This line I will be commenting out. My favorite action is colon dollar. Let it be like this. I will comment out the last line. I need to explain you the difference so that I'm just commenting out. Okay, I'll just save this file and then I will run this file. Bash test.sh. Just click enter. See, values of A and B are 10 and 20. Perfect. My course is Linux. My favorite action is, here this is grammatically wrong, right? My favorite action is what we should get here after, if you have if you know the grammar in English, after is or verb form we should get verb plus ing form. Sleeping we should get it, right?
Yes.
If you want to get sleeping, how you can do it? Can I add here ing?
No, sir. We able to.
We cannot get it, right? If I add ing, it is going to give error because that variable is not available. If you want, if that kind of requirement is there, you can come down here and then use ing here and then uncomment it here, comment it, save this file. Now run it again. Now see here, my favorite action is sleep here, my favorite action is sleeping. That is the difference between dollar variable and then dollar curly braces. Most preferred one is we should use this one only, the second one, the syntax. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, there is a question. I'll just ask you this question. Just consider the following variable declaration: name equal to, this is a variable declaration, something like this, name equal to curly braces, and then Ravi is name is like this. Okay, now I want to get the name, variable substitution. How I can get that? This is the syntax I am giving. Which is the correct option? You just tell me. Echo dollar name. This is the second one. Echo. Next one is double quotations dollar name. Next one, sorry. Next one is echo single quotation dollar name. Which is the correct option? A, B, C, D. Okay. Which is the correct? Huh?
B.
Okay. B is okay. B is correct option. Only B.
No, sir. C also can be run.
Perfect. Both C and D are the correct options. Okay. Both C and D are the correct options. Remaining two are syntactically wrong. Okay. If you use single quotations, then variable substitution won't happen. We should use double quotations. Do you want me to show those things as well? See, suppose I will just declare name equal to, I will say Ravi here, enter echo name. If I give echo name, I will get name only, and then echo dollar name, it is going to work out. Echo dollar name Ravi. Okay, again echo single quotation I'm giving dollar name. It is going to fail again. Again, if I give remove this single quotation and if I give double quotation, it is going to work out. Okay, those two are the correct options. Even we have seen it practically. Okay, this is a variable substitution. Next, very important one is command substitution. Okay, please pay your attention. This is something something like you need to understand it. See, command substitution, we can execute command and we can substitute it results based on our requirement by using command substitution. Did you understand anything here?
No, sir. No. Can you repeat on?
Yeah, we can execute command and we can substitute its result based on our requirement by using command substitution. Simple thing, we can execute a command and then we can substitute that result based on our requirement. That is called command substitution. Simple words. Okay, syntax is simple thing. There is a tick symbol. This is called tick symbol. Above it will be present about tab. There is a tab key, right? About tab key and below escape key. Escape key. There it will be available. You can use that tick symbol. Else you can use dollar parenthesis. Even you can use like this. Okay, this is a command substitution. Okay, this is command substitution. Okay, these two are the ways how you can it. Most preferred one is this is the one, below one, parenthesis one. Okay, example, I will show an example here. I want to get the date. How you can do it? A simple thing.
Date. Date come.
Yeah, date. I see. Echo today date is, I will say like this, and then give this one. Now I want to use the date command. Okay. Instead of this one, instead of doing like this, what I will do is date plus percentage d. If I do this one, I'm going to get the date, right? Perfect. It is working fine. Now I want to substitute this result to something based upon my requirement. My requirement is I want to print like this. Today's date is like this. I want to print. How you can do it? We need to do first this tick symbol. We need to use for this command substitution. We are doing tick symbol. Perfect. Now tick symbol is done. Now we need to use a echo, right, to print that my something like that, right? For that, what I'm doing, I'm going to do it today. Date is, if I give like this, will it work?
Yeah, sir. With the echo command, okay.
With echo command, you need to give. Just give echo here and then give space. If I give here, see, today date is, we are getting this one. This command, we are executing this command, and this result, whatever we got, we are going to substitute this result to this based upon our requirement, right? This way, this is the way we need. We have done it like this. We can do even there is a second way. Instead of removing using these tick symbols, we can use a dollar. You can use this parenthesis here. This is a preferred way. When you compare with the tick symbol, we can use this one. See, like this. This is called command substitution. Okay. Suppose you want to get a number of files in the current working directory. This is the second example. What is the command to get the number of files in the current working directory?
ls
ls. You want to get the list, right? That is why I'm using type symbol and then wc-l. You will be able to get the number of
sorry, number of files.
Okay. This is the command I want to use. I'm just using this parenthesis here. I'm doing a variable substitution parenthesis again. Now I can use like this. Now I want to use this what is that, double quotations colon. Now I can mention here echo from here. What is the thing I need to mention? The number of files in present directory, something like this. Just click enter. See, it is saying 14 directories are available. Like this you can do it. This is another example. If you want to number of current working is fine. Number of files in a present working directory. Next one is the number of lines in test.sh. We have a file, right? Test.sh file is available, right? We have a file test.sh. Suppose I want to know how many lines are present. How many lines are present here? We'll just we'll write a script and then check that one. What is the command to check number of lines? How you can do that? Number of lines available in test.sh file. How you can do that? Simple thing. First, cat. Using cat, we can get the data, and then we need to redirect this data to whatever now we got. If you give cat, and then we will be getting the data available in that, right? Now I am using pipe symbol. I am whatever the output I got from this command, I am passing this output as input to this command. The next one I am passing wc-l. Now you can get it, number of lines, right? Now what I will do, I will be doing a command substitution. Give like this, then dollar, give the close the double quotations here. Now echo what is it? The number of lines in test.sh. Give colon. Now just click enter. See, the number of lines in test.sh are 11. That is how you can use the command substitution. Command substitution is very, very important. Okay. If you want to what is that, the number of lines, that is fine. The number of lines in test.sh, yeah, both the ways. Even if you want to check this with the other one, this tick symbol one, you can use the tick symbol as well. Instead of using dollar quotation, if you want to check with the tick symbol, you can check it. Same thing. Okay. Suppose I want to get what is it, my current working directory. How you can do it? Tell me. Echo. I'm not using directly. I'm using echo. My current working directory is, tell me, dollar parenthesis
dollar PW. In the brackets we use PW.
Let me clear the screen. Echo my current working directory is new colon. From here, dollar. What is the command?
PW.
PWD. Okay. Just
P
click on.
present work.
Yeah. See, like this you can get. Even you can use anything as well. Okay. This is a command substitution. Any questions in this one?
No, sir.
Okay, then if you don't have any questions, we'll meet again on Monday. Command line arguments we are going to discuss. Okay.
Okay. Sir, tell me, sir, now.
What is your question?
No, sir, no.
You asked me something. Tell me something, right?
Yeah. Actually, I am asking a payment method, sir. I want to ask.
Let me start. Let me,
After recording,